What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we are starting, I know you guys have been waiting for this one, road to 1 billion, and it's a journey that we will all be taking together where you guys can let me know how much you guys are stacking up, and even in the comments right now, go down below, let me know how much you have right now, and keep updating me every single Sunday, because that's how often I will be buying into Shiba Inu and posting a video for you guys for road to 1 billion. As pretty much the entire community knows, I sold pretty much all of my coins, or not pretty much, I did. I basically transferred all of my Shiba Inu into Bone and Ethereum to take part in the Bone ETH liquidity pool during the liquidity event, where I was able to make tons and tons of Bone and a lot of money. So if you guys want to check that video out, go ahead and check that out. But anyhow, we are back. It's time to start stacking up again with our love and behold Shiba Inu. If you guys have already seen this series on the channel, you kind of already know how this goes. But for those of you who have not already seen these videos, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you have, I grew a lot of my fan base from these road to 1 billion. So I'm glad to be starting it again for you guys. But if you guys have not seen that already, what I do in this video is I will break down, I will first go over Shiba Inu, looking at the price action, and just take a look at what it's looking like and how we're moving. Second, we'll be moving forward to where I'm looking at how much I bought and showing you guys my transaction of me buying however much. And I'm thinking about doing 50 million Shiba Inu every single week. So in 1 week, I have 50 million. Next week, I have 100 million, 150, 200, and then keep stacking up for the next however many weeks. I think it'll take me about 2-3 months. I'm not 100% sure. I got to structure that out. However, I'll be buying 50 million Shiba Inu every single weekend unless I see something really dope in the market where I want to buy in even extra. So yeah, I will be showing you guys my transaction of me buying it. And then third, I will be showing you guys my price target and how much my current amount will be worth at that price target. So let's say my price target is 0.001, which is 1/100th of a penny. And so if we think it's 1/100th of a penny, that's my price target for this year or the next year, or however that works out for you guys. That'll come up later in the video, but I'll basically be breaking down my price target, how much I will be making at that price target with the amount that I have now. And then last but not least, I will be going over how much 1 billion coins will allow me to have at that particular price target. And I might even introduce multiple price targets so that you guys can see how much it'll be worth at each step. I have this all drawn out on a chart for you guys, so be ready and pay attention to this video if you guys want to calculate how much money you will be making at my price targets, so that you can follow the exact math that I'm doing and see how much that'll be for you. And let me know if you guys are buying at the same time as me. That would be really sick. I think that would be really cool if maybe even I did a live stream and we all bought at the same time. Maybe even pump the price a little bit. That would be pretty sick. So if you guys wanted to do something like that, let me know down in the comments if you would want to do like a community buy every Sunday. I think that would be absolutely amazing. Now that I think about it, I think that'd be like the best idea ever. So if we could do that, come together on Sundays and everybody buy a portion. It doesn't matter how much you can afford, but I'm going to be buying 50 million. So if a bunch of us buy 50 million, or a bunch of us buy 10 million or 5 million, or however much you can afford, maybe we can pump the prices on Sunday. That would be really cool. And I think I might even make a video just about that, because I think that would be a great thing to start, so we could pump the price ourselves and just buy up as much Shiba Inu as possible and do it as a team. And I think that it would motivate a lot of people to buy in if that starts to show something in the market, because it is possible. Because separate, we're all fish in this big ocean. However, we have these big old whales that are buying in and selling all the time. If we all come together and we're buying 5, 10, 50 million each, and there's thousands of us. I got 10,000 subscribers. So if thousands of us can buy even a little bit, or hundreds of us can buy a couple, or 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million every Sunday, that would be really awesome. So I'm gonna make a video about that, but let me know if you guys would be interested in that down in the comments below. Okay guys, so we are looking at Shiba Inu here on TradingView. And as you can see earlier today, I believe that was today, yep, just a few hours ago, we have seen a huge pump. And within the last 2 hours, we have seen, what is going on here? We have seen a huge pump here and a big pull down, which this is a great, in my opinion, this is a great entry point, not financial advice. However, to me, when you see it consolidate well and then you see a big break up and then it retrace back down, I think that it will go back up again. It is just pumped, gave it time to cool off. Now we're going to push back up. Maybe we'll consolidate again here, but I'm willing to buy in here and buy in more down here when that opportunity shows itself again. But I think this could be the beginning of a pump. So just overall looking at everything, it's looking pretty good. I like what we're seeing. And overall, we have been holding on this bottom support level very well. And I love to see it. So hopefully the next rocket that we see will just take us straight to the moon. That would be awesome. So let's get on over to the crypto.com app and start making our purchase of 50 million coins. Actually, guys, I'm not going to be hopping over to crypto.com because I forgot what I am going to be doing, and another huge part of this to kind of help you guys understand what my thought process behind getting into the liquidity pools is that I'm going to be taking the bone that I am making from ShibaSwap and my liquidity pool, and I'm going to be using the rewards from that to get into Shiba Inu. So right now I'm gonna hop on over to the ShibaSwap platform, and then what I'm gonna do is take my bone and convert that into 50 million Shiba Inu tokens and get into that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I'll meet you on the laptop. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are over here on ShibaSwap, and I have already got it right here. All I had to do was select bone, and I already had some bone in here from my rewards. And all I gotta do is put in 50 million down here, and it will automatically put in how much bone I need to have. So we might need to refresh this one more time, our swap, and I think it refreshes it for me just to make sure that it's the right amount. We confirm the swap. Now let's take a look over here what this is gonna be. It's gonna cost me 15 bucks in gas. That's okay. I'd pay more than that on crypto.com with their fees, which everyone hates. But I feel like there's just no way for us to get away from fees, unfortunately. So as you can tell, that's pending, and that will be going through, and I will show you guys once it is done. And as you can see right there, guys, it has confirmed my swap. So we are all good. And now we can see that I have, let me go to Barry. I'm not gonna stake right now because I feel like it would take too much in fees for me to keep adding all of this. So like even right now, say if I went to stake my 50 million, let's see how much that would cost me. 8 bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe I'll stake every 2 weeks. So every 100 million coins, I will be staking. So yeah, maybe that's what we'll do. And yeah, guys, there you go. What I'm gonna be doing is taking 50 million every single week, and then every 2 weeks, I will be adding to it. So I will take my 100 million once I get that, and I get every 2 weeks, like I said, 50 million plus 50 million. I will take that 100 million and put that into the staking feature so I could be getting rewards on that. And I will do that every 2 weeks so that we don't pay too much on fees. I know $8 isn't a lot. However, I still would like to space it out just so it makes sense for me. And I'm just gonna let those rewards accumulate and not even do anything with them. And the beautiful thing about this and why I'm so okay with this system is because I'm taking the bone that I'm getting and I'm putting it back into the system. And I'm putting it back into the system in multiple ways. So not only am I swapping the bone that I'm getting as rewards for free, and I'm putting that back into staking as well. So once I stake, I'm also gonna get bone back. So it's really a full circle for me. Not only am I producing bone daily and hourly from liquidity pools, but I'm also producing bone from staking over time. Okay, so I'm gonna be throwing this up on the screen. Like I said, trying to get through this quick before my camera dies, but the price target that we're looking at is about a hundredth of a penny, 0.001. And 50 million coins at that price target will leave me with $50,000. And when we look at that and we multiply our billion, and we take our billion and multiply that by our price target, we are sitting at a nice, comfy amount of cash, and that equals what we're about to go over right now. And I wanted to leave a little bit of suspense, plus I actually had to do it on my calculator. But yeah, it leaves you with a nice hefty $1 million at just a hundredth of a penny. Guys, this is amazing, and that is great profits, and that's not including any of the bone and stuff that we're making from our staking. Guys, make sure that you're taking part in staking, and if you guys would like to have some one-on-one so I can help you with that and navigate ShibaSwap with you, check out my Patreon link down in the description, and you get a one-on-one session for an hour, video chat, or just voice chat, up to you. And it's only 50 bucks a month, and you get a session every single month, plus private stuff in the Discord. So make sure you check that out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please smash that like button, turn on bell notifications, and subscribe and join the family if you haven't already. Like, what are you doing? I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.